Let's go. Wade's super duper cape. Alright. I am powerful, strong, confident, brilliant, loved, enough, respectful, worthy, capable, joyful, and truthful. See, I am all of that. Wade loves his super duper cape. When Wade wears his super duper cape, he has super duper powers. Wade's super duper powers are love, confidence, intelligence, kindness, strength, and gratitude. Wade powers up and sings his favorite song. I love my super duper powers, my super duper powers. When Wade wears his super duper cape, he listens, he thinks, and he learns. Wade powers up and sings his favorite song. I love my super duper powers, my super duper powers. Roar, roar, roar. Oh no. Who is that? It's the Toxic, the big bad Toxic. The big bad Toxic is green and says mean things. You don't have super duper powers. You can't sing your favorite song. Stomp! Ah! Wade screams and stomps his feet because he is angry and frustrated. Wade's super duper cape is fading. Oh no, what is Wade gonna do, young man? Stomp! Stomp! Ah! Wade stomps his feet harder and screams louder. Wade's super duper cape disappears. Where'd it go, man? Where'd it go? It's not over there. Oh no, he has no powers. Wade is feeling blue because he lost his cool. He needs to do something new. Wade closes his eyes and takes a deep breath in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wade opens his eyes and he is calm. Something magical happens. He believes in himself. Wade believes in himself now. Wade's super duper cape appears. Hooray! I do have super duper powers. I can't sing my favorite song. Wade flies off to share his super duper news. I am love, I am intelligent, I am kind, I am confident, I am strong, and I am grateful. I have super duper powers, and you do too. Every girl and boy powers up and sings their favorite song. I love my super duper powers, my super duper powers. Remember, your super duper powers are always within you. Power up, believe in yourself, wear your cape proudly. Yay! Good job. Alright, where you? Oh, dang, you tripped. Where you going now? Uh-oh, somebody's trying to climb up. You just come this way, bub. No! Don't start taking those down. Don't start taking those down.